Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to edit Instagram story after posting it. So as you can see, we just posted 18 minutes ago this Instagram story, and now the only thing you can do here is you can go to these three dots where it says more, and here we have a couple of options right here. Right, so we have story settings. We can add mentions. If we want to add mentions, we can edit our story that way, or we can just go to story settings. Now on story settings, right, you don't have much the story settings is, not having much to offer. But what you can do here is you can basically hide story from people. You can, reply or allow message replies, right? Or you can save story to your gallery, right? So there's no direct option currently to edit Instagram stories after posting, but what you can do is you can do that, or if you just want to delete your story, go to three dots and delete your story. And obviously the story will be archived for 24 hours or 30 days, so you will have that story in your archive, right? But this is the only way to do it currently. This is the only way to edit Instagram story after posting. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I hope this video is still somewhat useful for you, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.